Here's a video on how to replace your air conditioning filter in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a 2012, and we're just going to show you where to access the air conditioning filter. Now you open the glove compartment, empty the contents out, and right here and right here we just have to press towards the middle to squeeze it, and we should be able to access that filter once this drops down. And right down here is your air conditioning filter. Looks like there's a tab right here, so we just lift that out. Sort of stuck my finger in here. Pull this out. Be sure to order one of these. This one looks so dirty from the pollen and dust and exhaust. So I'll go ahead and reinstall this since I don't have one with me. This part right here that holds the book in place, the owner's manual, just slides out. I just pulled it down, so that should make it easier to get in there. Slide this in here. Okay. Reinstall our cap here. Two tabs down there on the end. Looks like I got it clipped in. Now this piece for your book. Compartment back in. I'm just going to slide those 3 hinge points in place. Now squeeze again. Shot's good as new. Have a good one, guys. If you got anything out of this video, do me a favor and just subscribe. Appreciate it. Have a good one.